Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Agix chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above the 20-day MA. We have also fully maximized our minimum target areas to the lower side in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 4, and I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets to the upside in the formation of that wave 5, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having that as the first wave to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $0.13522 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expect next is that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, which is a move that we have seen over here, giving us a peak at around the $0.67 mark. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, we also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation, where you can see that I'm seeing this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas to the upper side in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. And after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is a target area that lies between the $0.43291 mark and the $0.35726 mark, and that is the minimum that I was expecting that fourth wave to the lower side to do. And you can see that we fully maximized our yellow target area in the formation of that wave 4, and I now believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of that bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.83217 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that higher Elliot wave count 5 to the upside to do. And in the formation of that wave 5, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5, which is a fractal wave within the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 5, fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of that wave 5. And I believe we are seeing such a scenario over here, and if I zoom in so that you can see that better, you can see that after making our low in the formation of that wave 4, we saw that bounce to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $0.5 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the high for that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in a move that has now given me the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, and I'm now expecting a bit of a bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then push even higher in the formation of this wave 5, fully maximizing our target areas at around the $0.84 mark in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 5 to the upside. And in the formation of this wave 2, which is still what we are seeing at the moment, we can first use the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1 to get a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and I can mark that target area here on the chart like that, which lies between the $0.41664 mark and the $0.039692 mark, which is a target area that we have now fully maximized. And because of losing the fib level 0.618, I had to extend my target area back to the fib level 0.78, which is at around the $0.36883 mark, which is still a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, and that is a target area that we have now fully maximized. And there are chances that soon we might see that reversal in prices continue gearing up, see a break above the 20-day MA, continue pushing even higher, and also see a break above the wave 1 high in a move that could be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing is the start of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.64529 mark. And once the high for that wave 3 is in, we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. But as long as we are holding below the 20-day MA, or maybe lose the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, we need to continue holding within this support zone that I have over here using this yellow target area, that is between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78. We need to continue holding within this yellow target area in case we continue seeing the breakdown, and in case such a move plays out, then we can expect one more new low within this yellow target area before we can start our bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And in case we break out of the target area that I have right here, then we need to continue watching the next key area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.88. And in case we lose the fib level 0.88, then that will be putting a major challenge on the formation of this Elliot wave structure that I have right here. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 49 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the market, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.